In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set password for closed books in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and one of its most important features is the ability to close your books at the end of a financial period. By setting a password for closed books, you can ensure that your financial data remains secure and that no accidental changes are made to finalized information. Whether you're wrapping up the year or simply locking in your records, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account using an admin-level login. It's important that you have admin access because only administrators have the ability to make these changes. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon opens the settings menu where we'll access the necessary options. Click on the gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize a variety of settings for your QuickBooks account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of tabs. Click on the Advanced tab to proceed. Now, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Accounting. In this section, you'll see an option to close your books. To make changes, click the small edit icon. This looks like a pencil located in the top right corner of the Accounting section. Next, you'll see an option to close the books. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to it. Once this is done, you'll be able to set the closing date for your books. The closing date is the point through which you want your financial records to be locked. Carefully select this date based on your needs, as it ensures that no changes can be made to transactions or reports up to that point. After setting the closing date, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to choose how changes to closed books should be handled. Select the option Allow Changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a password before any edits can be made to your finalized data. Now, it's time to create your password. Make sure to choose a secure and unique password that you can remember, but isn't easily guessable. This password will protect your closed books, so it's critical to keep it safe. Consider storing it in a secure location, such as a password manager, to avoid losing it. Once you've entered your password, review all the information to ensure it's correct. Then, click Save to confirm your changes. QuickBooks will apply the settings you've just configured, and your books will now be locked and password protected. And that's it. You've successfully set a password for closed books in QuickBooks Online. This simple step helps you safeguard your financial data, maintain accurate records, and prevent unauthorized changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.